I'm dancing through the tears, still smiling through the pain. You left a spark in me, and it's driving me insane.
What if I told you that you could create a professional music video like this from scratch in under 10 minutes, without any musical talent, video editing skills, or expensive equipment? Just you, your computer, and 4 incredible AI tools. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your very own custom song with a cinematic music video that looks like it costs thousands to produce. Let's dive in. Today I'm going to show you the complete workflow for creating AI-generated music videos using 4 powerful tools: ChatGPT for lyrics and video prompts, Mureka AI for song generation, Skyreels AI for video creation, and a bit of basic editing to tie it all together. This is a game changer for content creators, musicians, or anyone who wants to bring their creative vision to life. So grab a coffee and let's get started. First things first, we need lyrics for our song. Head over to ChatGPT and let's create something amazing. Here's the prompt I'm using. Write lyrics for a pop song about love and heartbreak. Make it upbeat and romantic. Include verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and bridge. ChatGPT will generate structured lyrics that we can directly use in Mureka AI. Make sure to copy these lyrics. We'll need them in the next step. The great thing about using ChatGPT is that you can refine the lyrics by asking for specific changes or different emotions. Now let's turn those lyrics into an actual song. Open up Mureka AI and log into your account. However, you will find all the tool links in the description along with the prompts. Once you are logged in, your interface will look like this. Come to the Create tab to create a new song. This is the Song Generator interface. Here you will find 2 options, Basic and Advanced, to create your song. In the Basic tab, you have to enter an idea or a topic to generate a new song. In the Advanced tab, you can enter custom lyrics, set the style, select a custom vocal, add a description, and turn your simple melody into a soulful song. Let's start with the Basic option. Here I am entering a simple idea about a heavy metal song about friendship in a powerful male voice. After entering the idea, hit the Create button. Mureka AI starts its work. It will take some time. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is. Mureka generates 2 songs for us. This is the first one.
In the heart of the storm, we hold hands tight through the darkest night.
It's amazing. Now listen to the second one.
Never shifts. We face every fear. Side by side we stand.
This is amazing. So now you can create any kind of song with a simple prompt like this. However, we already have the lyrics of the song, so we have to use the advanced settings. Here, we have to enter the song title first. After that, enter the full lyrics in this box. However, you can generate song lyrics with Mureka AI as well. After entering the lyrics, you can add a reference song to create a similar style song. Next, you can select a vocalist or an artist. Then, we must mention the style of the song. Finally, we can add a melody reference. We already made an in-depth video on these features. You can see the video from the I button. Once everything is set, hit the Create button. It will take some time to generate the songs. While our song is generating, let's go back to ChatGPT to create video prompts that match our lyrics. After coming to ChatGPT, enter this prompt, then paste the song lyrics and hit the Enter button. ChatGPT will create scene-by-scene descriptions that we can use directly in any AI video generator. These prompts are gold because they ensure your video tells a cohesive story that matches your song's narrative. Save these prompts. We'll use them one by one in Skyreels. Okay, let's come back to Mureka. You can see that Mureka AI generates 2 songs for us.
It's haunting me. Every heartbeat still plays your name. Even though it hurts, I feel the same. I laugh.
This is the second track.
That's haunting me. Smiling through pain.
For time-saving purposes, I am not playing the full track. So, our song is ready. Now it's time to generate the music video. And to do that, I will use the longest, actually infinite-length video generator called Skyreels AI. Okay, this is the Skyreels AI homepage. Here you will find tools to generate AI video and AI drama. After that, you will find some of my previous creations. At the bottom, you will find some community videos created by other users. Here, on the left side, you will find some more tools to create content using Skyreels AI. Let's start creating a video using text prompts. So, select the AI video tool. This is the text-to-video generator interface. Here, at the top, you will find my previously generated videos. At the bottom, you will find the prompt box. First of all, if you have an image and want to turn it into a video, then you can upload the image from here. You will find an option to add the last frame as well. In the bulk generation mode, you can upload multiple images and generate multiple videos. However, since we want to create videos for our music video, we have to enter the text prompt here in this box. I am entering the first prompt from ChatGPT and pasting it into the prompt box. Now we have to set some settings. First, the motion. Here you will find 3 options. Auto, to automatically select the model. Stable, to generate consistent and reliable video clips. And Inspire, for more creative results. Select as per your need. After selecting the model, set the aspect ratio. I will go with 16:9. Next, we have the video duration. Here's the surprise. Skyreels AI allows you to create a maximum 30-second long video. No other AI video generator offers longer than 10-second video clips. Only Skyreels offers that. That's why I called it the longest AI video generator. Okay, next we have the video resolution. You can generate videos up to 4K resolution. However, to save time, I will generate the video in 720p. Next, you can set the number of videos. You can generate 4 videos at a time. Finally, we have storyboard. Now, to generate the video, click on the Create button from here. Skyreels is now generating the video. It will take some time. So, I am fast-forwarding the video. And here it is. The video is ready. Let's have a look. This is really a good video. You can see the quality. The result is very consistent. Although it's a 30-second long video, you won't see any kind of silly or unnatural movement or unusual changes in the character or background. They are very consistent, and movements are very subtle. The camera work is amazing. You may find some very small morphing, but they are not an issue. In one word, it's a decent result. You can download the video by clicking here. Okay, now we have to create the second video clip. Before going over there, let's talk about a very important fact. You will face a huge challenge in creating consistent character videos only with text prompts. So I will use the subject reference tool. Here you can create amazing videos with consistent character, subject, and location. You just have to enter the subject reference images and then enter the text prompt. I already generated an image for my character and I am uploading the character. Now, I am entering the first prompt again. After that, set all other settings like aspect ratio, video duration, and video resolution. Once done, hit the Create button. And here it is. Our video is ready. And you can see the result. This is a perfect scene with our character. Now, if you click on the Edit button from here, it will enable the storyboard mode. Here, you can extend the video or create unlimited video clips and download them as a single video clip. I am adding a new video. After that, coming to the subject reference option. Now upload the character image and then the second prompt from ChatGPT. After entering the prompt, set all other settings and then hit the Create button to generate the video. And here it is. The second video clip is ready, and the quality of the video is really amazing. So now in this method, create all other video clips. Okay, all of my video clips are generated, and now you can click on the Export button to download the video clips as a single video. However, we may need to adjust the video duration to match the song. So I will download all the video clips individually. To do that, click on the 3-dot menu and then click Download. The video will be saved on your device. So download all the video clips and organize them accordingly. Now we have our song from Mureka AI and our video clips from Skyreels AI. Now we have to assemble them with a video editor. The steps are very simple. Import your song as the audio track. Import all video clips. Arrange clips to match the song structure, verse, chorus, etc. Trim clips to match the beat and lyrics. Add transitions between scenes. Color grade for consistency, optional but recommended. Add any text overlays or effects. Okay, once you are done, hit the Export button and export the video. And here it is. The final music video is ready. This is amazing. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create professional quality music videos using nothing but AI tools. From lyrics to final video, this entire process can be completed in under an hour once you get the hang of it. The possibilities are endless. You could create music videos for existing songs, develop content for social media, or even start your own AI music channel. What kind of music video are you going to create first? Drop your ideas in the comments below. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI creativity tutorials. And hey, when you create your first AI music video, tag me. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.